To clean or replace the inlet screen on your DP-20, start by removing the pump from your tank. Remove the suction pipe from your pump. Then unscrew the 4 7/16" bolts securing the inlet base to the pump. Remove the valve plate and seal to access the screen. The screen is retained in the inlet base and should not be removed. Clean the screen with a soft, bristled brush and solvent. If replacement parts are needed, they can be ordered through our website. To reassemble, replace the valve plate and seal into the pump housing with the recessed face of the seal and the springs of the valve plate facing downward towards the pump inlet as shown. Then reinstall the inlet base to the bottom of the pump. Reinstall the suction pipe to the pump. Then reinstall the pump to the tank. If you have any questions, you can call our support line and speak to a USA-based product support representative in our factory that will assist you with installation, maintenance, repair, and warranty questions. This responsive live service is our legacy and our commitment to you. Thank you for choosing GPI.